Designing a brochure used to mean opening up Canva, dragging boxes for an hour, looking for the right icons, resizing text, resizing it again, and still ending up with something that's kind of mid. Now, Vengage's AI just builds the whole thing. Let me show you. Today, we're building a trifold brochure for a digital marketing pop-up event. This is perfect for creators, freelancers, agency owners, coaches, or honestly, anyone hosting or promoting a local business or event. And like everything inside of Venngage, it's fully editable, customizable, and brandable, and surprisingly fast. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so we're in our Venngage dashboard. We're already logged in, but keep in mind here, you do not need to have an account to use this tool. There are two ways that you can access all of these tools, either from the Venngage homepage by simply clicking on the generators, or you can hover over the product tab in the nav bar, go to AI tools, and then you'll see over 100 other generators here. And we're gonna go ahead and head to Design AI, and then we're going to find the AI brochure generator. Our first prompt is going to be a trifold brochure for a digital marketing networking event in New York City. We'll hit generate, and in a few seconds, we've got a clean structured brochure with sections for event title, our date, we have key speakers or the agenda, then we also have a really nice call to action to RSVP or learn more. It even creates a layout that works for print and digital. So you don't have to drag panels manually. And then from here, it's all about quick personalization. So we'll go to customize, and then we'll enter the Venngage editor. And I'll use the AI image generator. So we'll go to AI tools here on the left-hand panel, and then we'll go to generate images. So I'm gonna prompt it to generate something like modern marketing workshop. We'll do cinematic for the style. Okay, awesome. So we have our marketing workshop, so we could add that here if we'd like. Let me try another one. We're gonna do New York City skyline, since this event is taking place in New York. We'll generate that. Okay, awesome. So we got some really cool images. I'm gonna go with this one. We can put that here. And I think that looks great. So then we'll grab some icons with the AI icon generator. We'll go back to our AI tools. We go to generate icons. Let's do a calendar. And then we'll keep the style on auto. Okay, so we got some calendar icons. We can drag this one into here. And we could put this down here where we have the timing. And then we could also maybe do a location pin that we can add there as well. Okay, we'll do this one. And we can place it on this side. So if you want to adjust the layout or the panel order, you can move any of these panels from the front to the back. So I could put this backwards. Might want to delete this one first. We can actually go ahead and delete that. Let's move this to the back so that this border here goes over it nice and clean. If you also want to reorder any of the panels, you can easily do that here or edit any of the text in the editor. So now let's go ahead and brand this. We're going to go to the brand kit here, and I'm going to plug in a fake brand. You can also enter your company name. So if we wanted to put, say this was a marketing event for HubSpot, we could look up HubSpot, look, it pulled up the logos, it pulled up the colors. We can confirm this, and then we have the entire HubSpot logos and colors. So we can edit this to match the HubSpot branding, can throw the logo in there, and then you can also, of course, enter yours manually. Venngage grabs the colors, it grabs the logos, and the fonts automatically, and then applies them to the entire design. Another really cool thing is that you can drop in a QR code here. If we go to elements, we have one of these interactive elements. We can put this in here, and this can lead to our RSVP page. So I'll just put Maker Thrives here for now, and then we have a really nice QR code, and we can put that right here in this panel. And then you could also add other clickable buttons. So like labels, a checklist, a GIF, forms. We have our basic elements. You can add this to your brochure if you're sharing it online, and it really helps with engagement and connecting with your audience. Once you're finished with this and you're ready to share it with your audience, you can press the share button up here. You can share a link, you can share a QR code. You have a couple ways to download it, and then you can also embed this into your site with code, which is awesome. You can do this on basically any site builder. So this is a really great option to have. So if you've got a conference, a pop-up, a book launch, or anything that you need to promote fast, this tool is seriously the best. If you don't have a designer, no problem. All you have to do is just prompt, tweak, and then export it. You can try this for free at the link in the description. And if you end up using it, make sure you tag us and Venngage, because we would love to see what you build and also share it with our community. So if you liked this video, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss any other videos like this one. Thanks, and I'll see you in the next one.